In this video, we are going to see how we can create Meta app for creating any Instagram automation. These are the 4 steps we can use to create the automation. We need to first create the Meta app. Then we need to add the Instagram account into that Meta app. Then we need to generate the token. And then we'll use that token with our APIs to automate anything on n8n. And before we start anything, you make sure you have a professional Instagram account. Okay, next step is you head on to developers.facebook.com and go to the My App section. If you are logging in for the first time, you just need to sign up and then you can start by creating this app. Then just give your application a name, let's say IGG test 2 and enter. What is the use case? For Instagram automation, we need to go to the content management section and there we'll find manage messaging and content on Instagram. Just select this option. This will enable you to post anything, any comment, any story, any post, and direct messages also. This is the new way. The old way where we used to go to other section and choose this option. This is going to go away very soon. So it's best we use this option now and click next. Yeah, just select your business. And next, if you do not have it, don't worry about it. You can just select I don't want to connect the business portfolio yet and hit next. This is in a developer mode, so we can go ahead from this screen and click next. Just check out the overview and create app. You will enter your password. Now that our app is created, we need to check the app role and go to the role section. And this is the step where we are going to add Instagram tester. So click here and click add people and click on Instagram tester and type your username. Here and add. So the status is showing pending. We need to go to our Instagram and approve this request. So click here. You will be redirected to apps and website. Make sure you are logged in into that browser with your Instagram app and go to tester invite and accept the new invite. Okay. Once you do this, you can go back here and refresh. And now this Instagram page is added as a tester. Now our third step is to generate the tokens that we can use to call any API. So for that, you need to go to the use case section. Now this is where all the things related to your app will be managed. So go to customize. So the first thing, we need to add required permissions. We see there are 3 permissions added. We need to add a permission to post the content as well. So we'll just go to this. We'll just go to the permission and features. So after clicking on add required permission, we'll get an option to go to permission feature. And here we can see all the permissions we can add. What we want here is to add the post. So this is Instagram business content publish so that we can post photos and videos. Just add here. After giving the required permissions, we can go back to the setup Instagram login and open this drop down for the second option. Here we will see the testing account we added and then we can click on generate token and this will ask us to log into our Instagram. Click on I understand, copy the access token and click done. You save this access token somewhere safe and now that we have our token with us, it's time we call some Instagram APIs and see if that token is working or not. We will use HTTP node and we will call the Instagram graph API which will give us the information about us. And we'll send some query parameter. Here we need to pass the access token and we'll just use this access token and execute step. We get our ID. There is one parameter fields which we can use to tell the graph API what fields we need to get. So by adding ID, username and account type, I get all these 3 things about my account. So I'll just save it. This request is me and that's all. Now let's say if I want to upload this image on Instagram using n8n and just by using their APIs, we can stage the media file, be it image or video, and then we can create the actual post. So there will be two-step process. So in our first step, let's just copy this node and try to stage our image. So this is our URL. Here, the number you are seeing, this is your Instagram ID that you get from the /me URL. And now we need to also pass some headers. So we don't want to pass any query parameter. We need to pass some header. So the first header will be the authorization header, and the value will be the access token along with a bearer keyword. So this is a bearer access token, starts with bearer with then space and then the access token you just copied. And then we want to send a body as well. In the body, we want to send the image URL. Okay, so just add name image URL, and in the value paste the link of this image. So copy the image address here and paste it. Okay, now if you execute this step, unpin and test, we got this data that is not expected. This we got because the method was chosen as get. It needed to be post. So if we click on post and now we execute the step, now this will give us one ID. Yes. Now copy this ID or just pin it. And now in the next step, so this was the step where we staged the media. And in the next step, before we go ahead, you notice that we did not add the caption here. So just click on add parameter here and add caption and enter test post caption. Now, if I execute it again, this is the post that is going to be staged with this caption, and we should get the result shortly. Yes. Now pin this and we will just open up again. Now this is going to be the post actually. Now this, the URL is going to be the media_publish. Here we are going to publish the post we already created in the last API call. And the only thing that we need to change here is remove this value, and we need to add the creation ID. So the post creation ID that we got earlier, this is the ID we got earlier. Just paste it and execute the step. Yeah. So the post is created. Now if I go back to our Instagram, I see there is currently 2 posts, and if I refresh, I see the third post is here and with the caption test post caption. So this was how you can build your first Instagram automation, and I hope this video helped you creating maybe the meta app or seeing how we can call the Instagram APIs. In the upcoming videos, we are going to see how we can create some awesome Instagram automations using n8n. If this video was helpful, please like the video and comment what Instagram automation you are going to build next, and subscribe to my channel if not already, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.